Hello everyone and welcome back to Yuvan Tech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to redeem Microsoft points. It is a very simple and easy step, so stick with me till the end and you will be good to go. Now first of all, what you have to do is open a web browser of your choice, and then you have to go to the website that is rewards.bing.com. Simply go to the website rewards.bing.com. And now if you haven't logged into your account already, then what you have to do is simply sign into your account. After signing in to your account, what you have to do is redeem points. Now to redeem points, what you have to do is simply tap on redeem at this option. Yes, there is an option called redeem. Simply tap on redeem and wait for a while till it loads. Now what you have to do is simply scroll down and go to the option that is called redeem or code. Simply tap on redeem or code, and now what you have to do is simply type your redeem code, and after that tap on next, and your Microsoft points will be redeemed. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.